Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to cover how to convert 2/3 to a decimal. Now, when we convert a fraction to a decimal, we can do this by dividing the numerator, the top number of the fraction, by the denominator, the bottom number of the fraction. So for 2/3, we can set this up as 2 divided by 3. Then we go through the division process. So we have 2 divided by 3. How many whole groups of 3 in 2? How many 3's in 2? Well, we can't do that. So we need a decimal and a 0 in order to work through this. And I'm going to extend the division bar here. Once we have the decimal and the 0, we bring the decimal straight up into where the quotient, the answer, will be. And now we can think of this as 20 divided by 3. So how many whole groups of 3 in 20? How many 3's in 20? Well, 6. That gets us to 18. And we need to put the 6 above the 0 since we used that 0 and thought of this as 20. This will line us up correctly. Now we multiply. 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract 20 minus 18 is 2. So we don't have a clean-cut 0 there at the bottom, so we can continue on by using another 0 that we can bring down. Now we have 20 again, so 20 divided by 3, which is 6. Now we multiply. 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract 20 minus 18 is 2. So we get another 2, and we can use another 0 that we can bring down to continue on. So we have 20 again, 20 divided by 3, which is 6. Multiply, 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract, 20 minus 18 is 2. And you may see that we have a pattern here. And this is going to give us a repeating decimal. We can continue to use zeros, but we're just going to keep getting the same thing. So we have 20 again, 20 divided by 3, 6 again. So this is never going to end. These 6's will go on forever. We have a repeating decimal. So 2/3 equals 0.6, and we can put a bar above that 6 to show that that digit repeats. So 2/3 equals 0.6 repeating. And that's one way to write out a repeating decimal. But another option when we have a repeating decimal is to round. And we can round to whatever place we would like. But for this example, we're going to round to the 10ths place and the 100ths place. Let's start with the 10ths place. So 2/3 is approximately, and I'm using the approximately symbol here since we are rounding. This isn't exact. Well, we have a 6 in the 10ths with a 6 in the 100ths. So this rounds up to 7/10. 2/3 is approximately 7/10. Let's round to the 100ths place now. So 2/3 is approximately, well, we have a 6 in the 100ths with a 6 in the 1000ths. So this rounds up to 67/100ths. 2/3 is approximately 67/100ths. So some different options there as far as writing out a repeating decimal. We can use a bar above a repeating digit or digits to show that they repeat, or we can round. So there you have it. There's how to convert 2/3 to a decimal. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.